Technology is advancing fast and taking less time to widely adapt than ever before, as it took roughly 10,000 years to go from writing to printing press, but only 500 more to get to email. Now it seems we are at the dawn of the new age, the age of AI, artificial intelligence. The term AI was first coined in the year 1956 by John McCarthy at the Dartmouth Conference. AI is the science and engineering of making intelligent machines, especially intelligent computer programs. AI is a branch of computer science dealing with the simulation of intelligent behavior in computers. Thousands of people are working on it. Now, let's see what techno tycoons said about artificial intelligence. Microsoft Bill Gates says about
Google,
AI.
Facebook, Apple, Microsoft are all moving ahead at a great speed in improving this artificial intelligence software. So it's very exciting. Software is going to solve that, where it'll look at all the new information and present to you, knowing about your interests, what would be most valuable. So making us more efficient.
Alphabet and Google CEO Sundar Pichai says about
AI is
future
probably the
of
most important
AI.
thing humanity has ever worked on. Now, I think of it as something more profound than electricity or fire. And anytime you work with technology, you need to learn to harness the benefits and while minimizing the downsides. Stepping back, when you think about, a lot of problems in the world, today it's because we typically have a constraint on resources. AI, for the first time, I think, over time, offers a different construct. Things which are constrained and look like a zero-sum game today may not be so in the future. Take education, for example. It's really difficult to educate people in a cost-effective way. AI may fundamentally change that equation. It may make it possible for us to have clean, cheap, renewable energy for the future. So I think a lot of things will play out in more positive ways than people think.
Apple CEO Tom Cook says about Apple's driverless cars.
We're focusing on what we've talked about on autonomous systems. And we sort of see it as the mother of all AI projects. So autonomy is something that's incredibly exciting for us.
First humanoid robot Sophia is telling about
Right, let's
in artificial
talk about
intelligence.
technology. Tell me what, according to you, is the future of robots and artificial intelligence?
AI can free up humans from repetitive and dangerous tasks so that humans could create and make new discoveries.
Various applications of AI are agriculture, education, healthcare, finance, robotics, automotive, data security, etc. Various career opportunities for AI engineers is in artificial intelligence engineer, machine learning engineer, computer vision engineer, machine learning scientist, machine learning architect, AI consultant, and research scientists. Various top MNCs hiring companies are Google, Apple, IBM, Microsoft, etc. And an average salary package of a machine learning engineer in India is 762K per annum. Various salary packages offered by the top MNCs like TCS, Infosys, Accenture are shown here. Let's compare the average base salary of different job positions in the software industry with the machine learning engineers. Computer vision engineer and machine learning engineer salary packages are much higher than others. From all this, it is evident that AI is a cutting-edge technology that's going to rule the next era.